There's no reason to not tell our stories right now.
Documentaries and factual is rising to the surface in a way that it has not in the past.
The value of documentaries has never been higher.
As a young filmmaker, when you've got time, you've got access to the tools, just tell your story and get it out there. You can broadcast it right now on YouTube, It kind of blows me away.
The most wonderful things about documentaries is that you can live vicariously through the characters, feel empathy, understand the challenges of other people's lives.
You need to have a character or characters that are going to go through change. And without those things, you don't really have a story to tell.
What I would tell a young filmmaker in terms of their very first film is I would say the smaller the better. Pick one subject and find somebody who's passionate and who wants to share their story.
Often that means making a 20-minute film. You've got to get your feet wet, you've got to get your chops down, and then that 20-minute project might turn into a 1-hour television or a feature-length documentary, or that could be your next project. So it's really great to see that there's new avenues out there.
I would definitely try to find someone, a producer, a director, a writer to align with, to help mentor you through it.
I cannot imagine going through my career not having done a program almost exactly like this one.
The more you can make sure your program is connected with current, relevant people and companies in the industry, the better off you'll be.
Going through the basics of film school is one thing, but learning how to take that to a professional level, to work with mentors who've been in the industry for many, many years, that's a huge asset.
That is definitely the way to start honing your craft and showing the world that you have important stories to tell.